Now, speaking of driving, let's take a look at some driving recommendations that we have. So there are snowy roads, so definitely drive with care if you're in the high country. There's going to be lots of rain tonight, so use those windshield wipers, and then again, gusty winds when driving. So if you're driving on a north or south road, that is when the wind is going to be the strongest because it is coming from the west, so just drive with care. Now let's take a look and see what's coming our way. So there is some snow in the high country that's going to be coming tomorrow evening, so just get ready for that. But the southern portion of the state does clear out a little bit, and then it does dissipate come this weekend, but we do have a potential wind coming off the western side of the United States that's coming from the west coast that we saw earlier. Yes, guys, so there is a bit of a heat wave. As you can see, the biggest jump here is between Sunday and Monday, but we have temperatures increasing all the way up until Monday. Then we level out, and then by Tuesday, we start to decrease a little bit. Now, with those warm temperatures comes lots of sunshine. And so tomorrow around 1 p.m., we have a UV index of 7, which is pretty moderate, but still important to note. If you're going to be out and about tomorrow, around that time, be sure to have a hat or even put on some sunscreen just so that you don't get sunburned.
But first, we want to check in with Hailey Forbis in the Cronkite News Weather Center. Hailey?
What a wild, windy Wednesday we have had, leaving us with some wind alerts in effect until around 8 o'clock tonight. So you're going to be seeing winds anywhere from 25 to 35 miles per hour and an occasional 50-mile-per-hour gust. So very, very windy. If you have anything that could fly away, be sure to secure it and be sure to drive extra safe so you don't get any accidents. Now let's take a look and see what wind we did see. We had 20-mile-per-hour winds at around 1 o'clock this afternoon here in the Phoenix area, and 24-mile-per-hour winds in Lake Havasu City. Now it does clear out a little bit and slow down, but we do have some breezy conditions still. We got 5-mile-per-hour winds later tonight, so nothing as crazy as it was earlier. Now let's take a look and see why the heck this was happening. So there's this low pressure system that was coming into the state, bringing us wind and snow and rain, and it's going to clear out a little bit, but there is that storm on the west coast of the states that's going to bring us some potential rain in the forecast.
It's another nice day in the valley, temps in the 70s, but there's some concern about allergies.
Hailey Forbis joins us now. And Hailey, the springtime brings out the pretty flowers, but those flowers bring pollen too. Talk to us a little bit about it.
Yes, those flowers are beautiful, but man, my allergies have been absolutely killing me. I have been sneezing non-stop. So there's lots and lots of allergies and pollen in the air. So there's a very, very, very high allergy forecast Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Lots and lots of pollen and grass. So if you are going to be out and about, be sure to have tissues with you or even some allergy relief just so that you aren't sneezing away. But a contributor to this crazy allergy is the wind. There was some wind here in the valley, but there is also some wind advisories in effect in the northeastern portion of the state until around 9 o'clock tonight. So if you have anything that could fly away, be sure it is tied down and secured. But while we talk about that, it's a beautiful, beautiful evening ahead of us. 70s across the board. So if you're going to take your pet for a nice walk, enjoy this beautiful weather. Now we get to our highs tomorrow. It is going to be 59 degrees in Flagstaff and 86 degrees here in Phoenix. Very, very warm. So with that is a very, very high UV index of 9. So that is a burn time of 15 to 25 minutes. So wear your hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen to protect yourself. Now let's take a look at our 8-day forecast. So as you can see, the temperature is pretty much increasing. We're 86 degrees and sunny on Saturday, and then we jump up to 92 degrees and sunny on Easter Sunday. So if you're going to be out doing an Easter egg hunt, try and stay in the shade, have water on standby, but enjoy the nice warm temperatures. And then we jump up even more to 97 degrees on Monday and Tuesday, nice and toasty. And then we have some cloud coverage coming in, and we drop down to 81 degrees on Thursday. For the Cronkite News Weather Center, I'm Hailey Forbis.